Today is May 6, 2026. The day before the May 7 to 8 Sacred Prophetic ASEAN Summit in Cebu City. His Excellency President Ferdinand Romualdez Marcos Jr. meeting ASEAN leaders and other world leaders. And now, may I present this publication. The Sacred Prophetic I am sharing this page from my phototext publication inspired by Saint Joseph, The Spiritual History of the University of the Philippines for the World. I am in particular now calling the attention of my national global network, retracing the Transfiguration pilgrimage routes, realizing the spiritual history of the University of the Philippines for the world. Here we have pilgrimage delegation and guests, multi-sectoral session on the National Global Rizal Blumentritt Pamatalaan Academy, held on February 10 to 12, 2022. Led by the University of the Philippines System President Alfredo E. Pascual. And now, here is the Rizal Monument in Calamba, Laguna, with the participants in multi-sectoral. There is Nanay Gloria Viva, Sagrada Familia, Runggot, Calamba, Laguna, Attorney Rafael Morales, Mayor Chipeco, and this one is very, very crucial.